Okay, so what we're doing here is chana dal rice. So equal parts of the chana dal cooked to the rice, some onions, garlic, ginger, some beautiful spices. It's so easy, it's vegetarian, it's healthy, it's vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So this is a really nice, easy chana rice. So I've got 3 cups of cooked basmati rice. It's cold, I cooked it yesterday. Cold is better than warm or hot. 3 cups of chana dal. Now don't confuse chana dal with yellow split peas. This was cooked for about 50 minutes. If I had done that to yellow split peas, it would be a soup already. Chana dal cooks and holds its shape really well. 1 cup onions. 1 teaspoon green cardamom powder. 2 teaspoons of these 3. Coriander, chili, and cumin. I'm using a Kashmiri chili powder, by the way. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds and 2 teaspoons of black mustard seeds. It actually looks much more than that, but it is 2 teaspoons. 1 tablespoon of garlic ginger paste. Salt and pepper, about a teaspoon each. We're going to start this off with some oil. It's delicious. So I've got my little wok out today, and I've got some oil in there. I'm using a canola oil. You could use something different if you want. Coconut oil actually might be quite nice in this. In goes the 2 teaspoons each of black mustard seeds and the cumin seeds. And we're on a fairly lively heat. Let them just do their thing in there for a few seconds, and they'll infuse that oil and give it a lovely flavour. Next up, 1 cup of onion. I've sliced my ones, but of course you could cut them really small if you want. Okay, keep it moving. I'll be back in 2 or 3 minutes. Just a couple of minutes or so there. Next up, we're going to add in the garlic ginger paste. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. You can buy it in most stores, I suppose. I mean, depends where you live. Or you can make it. We make our own one here because we just use tons of it all the time. Let's add some salt and pepper, a teaspoon each. Let's now get our 3 cups of chana dal in the mix. And like I said, I cooked these and boiled them for like 50 minutes. They're tough little things. And like I say, don't confuse these with yellow split peas because they do look very, very similar. But like I said earlier, they will just cook to a mush very easily. Okay, about another 3 or 4 minutes, staying on this high heat, moving it pretty much all the time. We're well on our way here. Okay, spices, let's have a look again, shall we? 1 teaspoon of green cardamom powder, and then 2 teaspoons of chili, coriander and cumin. In that all goes. Now I'm keeping this really simple today, but you could be putting in here something like grated carrots, celery, you know, or some other vegetables. Now next up we're going to add our rice, which is equal parts, 3 cups again to the chana dal. Stay on this high heat, keep it moving. I'll be back in about 4 or 5 minutes. Really beautiful, happy, just there. Can you see that where it's caught on the bottom a little bit? Some of the rice has browned a little bit. I love that. Okay, off goes the heat. Now, didn't show you this earlier, but completely optional if you can handle the heat. Some chopped green chili and a little bit of chopped cilantro or coriander. Little mix. Check that for salt. It's going to be fantastic to me. You've got a really beautiful, easy chana dal rice here. Really love this one. Let me get that on a plate. And there you go. Something special, that is. I think it's a really special dish. Very basic, lovely flavours, really good for you. Vegetarian, vegan. What more can I say? Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you really soon, okay? Lots of love. Hi, how you doing? Not going to keep you long at all. Today's a very, very short video for a really beautiful little salad. So I've got some cooked beetroot that I've cut up, some tangerine or orange if you want, or some kind of other citrus, fresh mint, a little bit of olive oil, some salt, black pepper, and that is it. We're simply going to give that a little mix in a bowl, and you've got yourself an amazing, beautiful, tangy beet salad. So easy. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and leave us a comment. We hope you're well. We'll see you very, very soon. Lots of love.